In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code with your OneDrive documents, a simple yet essential skill that can be done in just a few minutes. With QR codes becoming more popular for sharing documents quickly and easily, this guide will ensure you have everything set up for seamless access. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is your entry point to accessing all your OneDrive documents. Once you're logged in, head over to the app launcher. You'll find this in the top left corner. It looks like a grid of small squares. Clicking on it will show a drop down of available applications. Find and click on OneDrive to proceed. Once you're in OneDrive, navigate to the section called My Files. This is where you'll find all of the files you've saved. Within My Files, you should see a folder labeled Documents. Click on this folder to access your stored documents. When you open the Documents folder, take a moment to select the specific document you wish to create a QR code for. It could be a presentation, a report, or any file that you'd like to share easily. With the document selected, look towards the top of your screen for the Share option. Clicking this will bring up sharing settings where you can change permissions. It's vital to ensure that your document is shared widely and easily, so you'll want to change the permissions to anyone with the link can edit. This setting allows others to access and interact with the document without restrictions. After making this change, don't forget to hit Apply to lock in these new settings. Next, you'll want to copy the link to your document. There's usually a copy link button right there in the sharing options, so give it a click to secure the link in your clipboard. With your link copied, the next phase is to generate the QR code. Open up a QR code generator in your web browser. There are several free options available online, so choose one that suits your preference. Once there, paste the link you copied into the designated field on the QR code generator page. After pasting the link, hit Create. To generate your QR code, the generator will quickly produce a unique code that directs others to your document. Once the QR code is ready, you'll see an option to download it. Click Download to save it onto your device. You now have a QR code linked to your OneDrive document. This code can be shared digitally, printed onto marketing materials, or displayed wherever you need it. It makes accessing your important documents quick and straightforward for anyone with a smartphone camera. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a QR code for your OneDrive documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made sharing your files a whole lot easier.